It's a wonderful snowy day up here in American Fork Canyon, and I wanted to show you my new JK LED side holster. I've been looking for a clean light mounting solution for a long time. So I sat down with a friend and said, how can we design a bracket that will not increase the amount of wind noise and wind drag that we have, but also allow us to put a light in a place where it's really useful? A lot of people mount their LED lights right up here, and it gives you a lot of great light. The difference is, with that light up there, it's blocking part of your view and it hits the windshield. I wanted to move it down on the side so that not only is it kind of in line with the rear view mirror and aesthetically looks a little nicer, but it also helps reduce the amount of wind drag and things like that that you might experience. So we've got kind of an L shape here. It's made of aluminum. It's got a whole slot here drilled so you can mount whichever style LED light you want. I've got one that I picked off of Amazon here that's got side lights on the side of it, so it gives me not only some great front coverage but also some on the side. And you can tilt this and move it and things like that. I haven't tightened it all the way down because I'm still trying to decide exactly where I want it to be, but you can see it's a really nice way to attach an LED light. Here's the set of them. You can see how they look. Now the LED side holster comes in a set of two. Again, they're made of aluminum, which means that if they get scratched and things like that, that it's not gonna rust. You can see how they look from the front. I've got them angled slightly out because it helps fill the gaps where my lights, my headlights won't go. But it's nice and discreet, but still provides a lot of illumination. I took a can of just regular rattle can paint and spray painted it to kind of match my Jeep. I think it turned out great. They use the factory holes too, so you don't have to worry about trying to drill anything. This literally bolts on perfectly in with the existing holes on your A-pillar. If you're interested in getting a set of these LED side holsters for your own Jeep, we've got pre-production models that are available for sale in our Amazon store. There's a link in the description here. It's going to come with two bare aluminum brackets. It will also come with two hand-cut shims. They're priced very low right now because we want to get your thoughts, want to see how they work. We want to get feedback from you as to whether or not this is going to be a great product, and we should move forward with producing these. The LED side holster. Perfect for adding a little light to your Jeep without adding bulk.